Hey sweeties, this is Sleep With Techniques. So today I'm doing a sponsorship with SHEIN. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but it is time for festival season. And SHEIN has 1,000 items that you can choose from, not to mention items that you can mix and match. So here's the first item. This is the Faux Suede Studded Decor Chunky Heel Western Boot. You can get this for $39.40, and this is in the color apricot. What I love about this boot is look at the holes on each side of the boot. I thought that was very unique. It has the little detailing around here at the top, in the middle, and also around the boot. It is pointed, it has a pointed toe, which is very comfortable, as well as it has a block heel. Now, I will let you guys know I did get this in a size 9.5. The sizes ranges from 6 all the way to a 9.5. Now, this next item is the Plus Tropical Print Batwing Sleeve Belted Romper. Now, you can get this for $15.49. It comes in multiple colors, and I thought it was very stylish. What I love the most is I love rompers because of the fact that you can just throw them on and go. Now, in the back here, it has a zipper that you can step in from the back. It has on the waist, it has this elastic, but nowhere else on this romper is stretchy. I love the Batwing, that's what I love about it, and the beautiful colors. Now these are colors that if you're on the beach, you can wear this on the beach. I just think that this is a gorgeous romper, and not to mention it comes with a belt. So with that said, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, sweetie, so here's the first item. One of the reasons why I chose this item is one, because of the beautiful colors that's in the romper as well as the sleeves. Now, if you want to hide your imperfection, you can do so. It doesn't stick to you at all. It's very comfortable. I love the belt. You can either wear it in the front or you can wear it to the side. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side. You can wear a sandal, low heel, block heel. It's so multifunctional. To the back, to the side, and back to the front. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, sweeties, so here's the next item. I also want to let you guys know that the romper was a 1XL. Now let's go ahead with the next two items, which though I paired together. This is called the SHEIN Unity Plus Twist Front Cami Top. You can get this for $10.49. It comes in multiple colors, and I did get it in dark green. Now, sometimes you can look at an item and you think, oh my God, that's gonna match, and sometimes it doesn't. But once you put it together, it's very cohesive. Now, this shirt does not have adjustable straps. I love the detailing in the front, as you guys can see, like a crisscross, and it has that V-neck. Now, it doesn't have adjustable straps, but I will tell you guys that it is very stretchy. And I did get this in a 1XL. Now let's go to the cargo pants. This is the Plus Cami Print Flap Pocket Side Cargo Pants. Now you can get this for $16.99. Only comes in just this color, and I did get it in a 1XL. I'm going to go ahead and hold this up. Now what I was aiming for is for this top to match this green. Now what I will say is these pants are very stretchy in the waist, although it's not stretchy anywhere else. So if you would like to size up, you can. And then also it has the elastic around the ankles. And it does have 2 pockets, deep pockets on each side. So with that said, let's go ahead and try these on. All right, sweetie, so here's the next item. Now, when all else fails, what do? You make it happen. So I put on a black belt that has a little black pocket on it. I put on some brown boots. Now I made it all blend together. It is cute, and with a little green earrings. So I'm gonna go ahead and step up. I wish I would have sized down on this top to maybe a 0XL. And also size up on these pants. They're a little tight, but they feel good on the skin. And I should have gotten a 2XL. Here's the back. Here's the side. And here's the front. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, sweetie, so before we get started, I want to thank each and every one of you for the support that you give and the kind words. You guys compliment me on my smile, my looks, as well as my videos, and I really do appreciate it. Now, that's coming straight from the heart. So let's go ahead and get started on the next 2 items. This is called the SHEIN Sexy Plus Button Fly Raw Cut Denim Shorts. You can get this for $19.49. It comes in black and white, and I did get it in white, also 1XL. Now, they have stretch, and what I love about it, it has the buttons in the front, no zippers. And it has pockets on each side, and then it has a small pocket on just this side, and in the back, it has pockets in the back. And then, of course, it has loops, actually, where you could put the belt. And there's a little detailing on the bottom of the shorts. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now let's go with the next one. This is the Plus Graphic Print Blouse. Now you can get this for $6.49. Now this doesn't have stretch at all, at all. I love the collar, the short sleeves, the V-neck in the front, and then it has a little detailing in the front as well. And it's kind of flowy, just a little bit. So with that said, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, sweetie, so here's the next item. Now, one of the reasons why I chose this outfit is for someone who don't want to wear short shorts. Now, this goes all the way to the knee. So let's go ahead and start with the top. What I love about the top, now, of course, it doesn't have long sleeves, but it has enough stretch where it just drapes off the body. And also it tapers in the front and then it lowers in the back. And then the shorts, I would size up because it is fitted, but it's not uncomfortable. So I would size up to a 2XL, especially if you're my size. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side, to the back, to the side. Now you can wear a tennis shoe, a sandal, or a black heel. So let's go ahead and get started. right, sweetie, so here's the next item. This is called the SHEIN Sexy Plus High Waist Rip Raw Trim Denim Shorts. You can get this for $17.99, and it comes in either black or white. I did get it in black. I'm gonna go ahead and hold these shorts up. Now it has a zipper and it has distressed from the pockets all the way down to the end of the shorts. Same thing on this side, 2 pockets, and it has a small pocket just on this side. And I don't know if I told you guys, but it has a slight stretch. And if you turn it on this side, it goes from the waist to distress all the way down to the bottom of the shorts. Same here on this side. So if you was to put anything in the pockets, and they do have back pockets, then it would fall completely out. So let's go ahead with the next item. This is the Plus Figure Graphic Butterfly Sleeve Blouse. You can get this for $10.49. And what I love about it is the butterfly sleeves. Now I'm going to come up. I want to show you guys the detailing on this. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now it does have a latch at the back, a little button. And I love the Picasso look. No stretch, short sleeve. So with that said, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, sweeties, so here's the last item. Now to all you cowgirls out there, this is what I would wear to the festival. Everything is cohesive. I love the boots. I love the distress in the shorts, not too short, and the butterfly sleeves. Now I'm going to come up. Here's the distress. Here's the back, the side, and back to the front. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, you guys are back with a quick recap. So the first thing I want to do is give one of my subscribers a shout out right here. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And SHEIN, thank you so very much for sending me these items. And it is always a pleasure working with you. Now I will leave all the links, prices, and sizes down in the description box, including my coupon code. And I do have a Patreon channel. I will leave that link down in the description box. All right, you guys, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that black subscribe button and share my video. And I'll see you guys again. Bye.